Leyte is considered as one of the places in the Philippines with several natural tourist spots. Located 18 kilometers of Ormoc City and 30 minutes drive from the Ormoc City proper lies one of Leyte's hidden beauty of nature, Lake Danao Natural Park. The Lake Danao Natural Park showcases a mountain lake located at about 700 meters above sea level, with verdant forest whose climate is comparable to that of Baguio City. With its 143-hectare guitar-shaped lake and verdant forest, Lake Danao is considered by Ormoc City as one of the ecotourism sites. Lake Imelda was renamed into its original name as Lake Danao Natural Park by the virtue of the Presidential Proclamation No. 1155 under the National Integrated Protected Area System Law or Republic Act 7586 on February 3, 1998.
LDNP is also included in the 94 protected areas established within the classification of National Park pursuant to the Philippine Constitution and E-NIPAS Act of 2018, or known as Republic Act 11038.
Aside from its picturesque view, this place has been considered as haven for several wildlife species. There are 18 species of amphibians from 10 families, which includes toad, puddle frog, Philippine frog, and common forest frog, among others. Reptiles are also present in the area, which consists of 27 species, and one common species are the freshwater turtles. Furthermore, 62 bird species are spotted in the place, dominated by doves and pigeons. 37 mammals can also be found and is highly dominated by fruit bats. Vegetation in the park exemplifies a typical natural rainforest in the country of the lowland dipterocarp type to mid-mountain forest. The area is dominated by dipterocarp tree species such as red and white lawaan, pagtikan, mayapis, Philippine mahogany, and other economically significant dipterocarps. Coconut, fruit trees, and vegetables are also present in the area. A number of fun activities were also offered in LDNP. Visitors can get to experience non-motorized sport activities such as kayaking, stand-up paddling, which are quite popular in the park. They can rent a kayak or bangka and navigate their way to the heart of the lake, navigating in the lake's tranquil waters while listening to the sound of the chirping birds clears the mind from stress. They could also rent a floating cottage made up of native bamboo stems and pulled in the middle of the lake. For visitors who are up to cool adventures, trekking and hiking will do. It will let the tourists explore the inner part of the forest and encounter a variety of flora and fauna species along the way. Aside from its beautiful sceneries and fun activities, Lake Danao also provides livelihood to the local residents such as souvenirs. The lake supplies potable water to at least 7 municipalities in Leyte. It is also a source of irrigation for rice lands in some municipalities like Dagami, Burawin, Pastrana, and Tabon-Tabon. LDNP also provides amenities and facilities to the visitors. The Eco Lodge serves as a venue for gatherings like meetings and seminars. It consists of 4 rooms which can accommodate at least 20 people. At night, visitors can stay outside for camping to feel the beauty of nature. Visitors can take pictures and can see the whole view of the lake at the view deck. Lookout Tower is the place where you can see verdant forests, especially the dipterocarp species. This is a perfect place for educational tour with tour guides. Administration building will serve as information center. This can also accommodate meetings. Printed materials like leaflets, pamphlets, and other IEC materials of LDNP will be available.
The Lake Danao Natural Park aside from being an important key biodiversity area, it is also a premier tourist destination in the region. Hence, it is really important to preserve and conserve the biodiversity as well as preserve the beauty, verdant forest cover of the park.
LDNP is governed by a multi-sectoral body called the Protected Area Management Board, or PAM-B, composed of representatives from the concerned LGUs, NGOs or POs, and OGAS. Its local residents, CTLGU and the DENR, had been working hand-in-hand to preserve its beauty and diversity by conducting several activities such as tree planting, collection of garbage wastes, among others.
It is very important for Ormoc, not just for us, but for other towns up to Tacloban, because the water of Lake Danao is the main water supply of our city and to all 6 towns plus Tacloban City. Maganda yung biodiversity ng Lake Danao. That's why it's a protected area, yes.
The Protected Area Management Board, or PAMB, which serves as the governing body in the management of the site, ensures that the management plan of Lake Danao Natural Park is effectively implemented. To our dear locals and visitors, please be responsible and help in conserving the natural features of Lake Danao Natural Park. Let us not allow ourselves to destroy such beautiful creation. The protected area that we have is so special and significant to the ecotourism industry in the region.
One of the most famous tourist attractions in Ormoc City, owing its guitar-shaped lake, exceptionally beautiful with crystal clear water, and surrounded by verdant mountains, and similar altitude with Tagaytay. Lake Danao is the perfect place to visit.